What's up, everybody? This is Jesus Esparza. I'm in that Tractor Supply shop, and you know, well, yeah. I just want to check it out a bit, and let's take a look around. Those are everything. I'm not sure what this. That's for horses and horses food or something. Everything for horses, and well, should be a lot of foods and tools and everything. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. The hook thingies to hold on something. Yeah. 2 boxes for pickup trucks or something. Batteries. A lot of wheels and well, I just want to check out something. Well, that's kind of nice. Yeah. The ramps for putting on, like, quads or anything like that. For trailer hitches, I wish I could have a pickup truck. I might probably get having to use ones that it can still it's still going strong. Let's see. The safe. Let's see what else. Let me go this way. Let's see. Lots of dog foods and let's see. Lots of pets area. Something for dogs and I bet everything's for dogs. And wow, that's very amazing. Look, lots of clothes, and I'm trying to go real quick, but not a lot. But hey, that's a nice drone, a mini drone. Lots of toys and let's see. Wow. Lots of tools and all that. So many tools and wow. This is a large that's a large wrench. Wow. Let's see. I guess that is all here or something. Lots of toys and more toys, and hey, look at this. Earthshockers fresh metal monster truck. That's nice. That's nice. Well, I guess that's all, I guess. Alright. Hey, look at this. Look at these go-karts. I wish I could have that, and man, I'm not sure if I can fit in this. I'm not sure, but this is pretty cool. If I wish I had that kind of go-kart. Yeah. That's pretty neat. Well, I guess I'm done here, but that's all I could. But just leave a like and subscribe. And I went to the Tractor Supply, and I'll see you soon.